The following portion of Indy Now is sponsored by MCJR and Ortho Alliance.
And joining us to share more about their services is co-founder Dr. Michael Berend. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you. Great to be here.
Good to have you here. Well, yeah, first of all, we always just like to get a overview of what you do and what makes you stand out.
Wonderful. So at Midwest Center for Joint Replacement, we focus on hip and knee replacement for end-stage arthritis for people who can't walk and have pain with life and mobility.
Yeah, and how long have you been part of this practice? I mean, you're one of the co-founders.
Yeah, so we founded MCJR 11 years ago,
Okay.
and I've been in Indianapolis for 27 years, and we're proud to have completed over 25,000 joint replacements in the last 11 years.
That's a lot of joint
know,
replacements.
it is.
25,000, wow.
And I
Yeah.
think it speaks to how common this has become. I mean, there's just such a huge need for it.
Yeah.
So what would you say makes you stand out maybe from other places?
We've spent the last, really, our entire careers focusing on taking the pain out of joint replacement. So from access to appointments, parking, patient satisfaction, no computers in the room. You go to the doctor and the computer's between you and the physician. It's a scary experience, and we like to personalize it, get access to care quickly, and then the entire surgical experience, people spend less than 4 hours in the facility now.
Wow.
After a joint replacement.
That's amazing to me.
That
with
is
technology
amazing.
and just how often
Yeah.
how often you do this. I mean, that's a small amount of time for such a big procedure. How do you ensure patients can easily access the care, especially busy schedules, limited
Yeah.
mobility?
Yeah, so we've made it very easy. So when would you like to come? Which is a unique way to access health care. We have same-week appointments. We have offices in 4 different cities around the state.
Okay.
Indianapolis by the airport, Bloomington, Terre Haute, and Zionsville.
Oh, great.
So we want to go to the patients and make it easy for them to access orthopedic care.
Yes, with that care, I know you've talked about kind of the innovation that goes into it. So what kind of advancements would you say that you're help bringing to joint replacement surgery?
So I started, my first knee was 33 years ago.
Wow.
And at that point, the surgery took a number of hours. You'd spend 2 weeks in the hospital, go to a nursing home, which no one wants to go to, and it would take an entire year to really get over it. And now the surgery takes about 45 minutes. You're home in 4 hours.
Gosh.
You can be driving within a couple weeks.
Unbelievable.
Significant reduction in number of pain pills you have to take.
Wow.
So the whole experience, blood loss, healing, it's less on you and on your family. So it's been an exciting time to be part of such innovation.
Yeah, that's great. Doctor, how do you and your team approach patient care? When someone obviously going into this, they might have some hesitations, maybe some nerves, they might be unsure about surgery.
We focus on communication, personal touch, answering people's questions in person. We provide written materials that outlines the entire process. We have a whole digital web-based education portfolio through the YouTubes, and we try and meet everybody where they are in terms of how they learn, and they're scared or been through it before,
Sure.
or a family member's been through it, and so we want to help them meet their individual needs.
That's great.
Help them know they're in good hands.
Yes, yeah.
Another thing I know you're passionate about is giving back to the community. Can you tell us a little bit about that?
Yeah, well, we have seen medicine all over the world, Asia, Central America, Europe, and really feel the American healthcare system, despite all the flack you hear on the news and in the press, is really world class, and we like to take that to other countries. So each of our 5 surgeons has been on a number of trips throughout the world to give back. We're a part of Team Hope in Motion that goes to Guatemala every year. We've been there 25 times. And we've done hundreds and thousands of joint replacements for people in the greatest need.
Wow, that's amazing.
Wow.
Doctor, thank you so much for
Yeah.
your time. Again, 4 locations across the state of Indiana. Where can people learn more if they want to get connected to you and your team? to
Yeah,
get a
I
consult?
think the easiest way is the website, mcjr.com.
Great.
We have our cell phones on all our cards, and we're accessible, and want to help people get better.
Awesome.
Thank you for chatting
Yeah,
with us.
thank
today.
you.
Thanks for your time today. We appreciate it.
And the website is right there that he just mentioned, along with the phone number if you'd like to give him a call. Preceding portion of Indy Now was sponsored by MCJR and Ortho Alliance.